Hi lovely, so you all know that weekend is for shopping and again preparing for the next week ahead. So here we are to pick one or two things in this big African shop in my city. And for the fact that my kids love helping out, it amazed me a lot. To tell you the truth, I can't believe that right now in my life I have 7-year-old girls that is always ready to help out whenever you need them, or even when you don't need them, they will just offer to help you. That kind of thing can sweet. Make sure you have a girl child as your first child. So I saw this spot. I was like, I need something like this in my house. So I don't have a choice. I got one for myself. Let me know if you're like me. Sometimes you come out to buy something and at the end of the day you end up buying things you didn't even plan, you didn't even put in your list, but you end up buying them because why? Is it that you need it or you do you agree with me that buying foodstuffs here in Germany is very, very expensive? It is better when you buy it in Nigeria and send them over here than buying especially them when you have a large family, like family of from 3 or from 4 upwards. So right here we are done picking the things that we need, so it's remaining to make payments, then go home to continue with the rest of the weekend routines. If you are watched to this extent, thank you so much for your support. I so much appreciate it. God bless you. So here we are heading home.